Hi, very good morning. Today we'll discuss a very important topic, mole problems from the chapter Chemical Equations 10th class. Now study the question. Find mass, volume, number of particles of aluminium when aluminium reacts with Fe2O3 iron oxide to give iron plus aluminium oxide. Start the answer like this. Keep solution. The first step, write chemical equation. Write chemical equation from the above question. If it is clearly like, the question is like this. Aluminium reacts with iron oxide to give what? To give iron plus aluminium oxide. Very good. The first step, write the equation from the above question. After writing, you write question one more time and balance it. Now if you clearly, if you see like, this is called reactant side, product side. On reactant side, how many aluminiums are there? 1. On product side, how many aluminiums are there? You can see here 2 are there. So keep number 2 here. Now 2 aluminiums are there. Done. If you see how many irons are there? 2. Here how many irons are there? 1. So keep 2. How many oxygens? O3. O3. Now finished balancing. So we can do balancing in single step also, like if you see compare atoms from both sides. If you compare atoms on both sides, you see like aluminium 1 on reactant side, aluminium 2 on product sides. So we have less number of atoms on reactant side. So we have to add some number to balance them. So I have added 2 aluminium atoms, 2 aluminium atoms balanced equal, 2 iron atoms, 2 iron atoms equal. After keeping 2, 3 oxygens, 3 oxygens. Now step 1, write chemical equation as it is from the question, and step 2, balance it. After balancing it, what we have to do? From the question we have certain values. We have atomic masses of certain elements. Atomic mass of aluminium is given 27 U. So atomic mass of iron is given at us 56 U. Atomic mass of oxygen is given 16 U. These values you substitute in this particular equation. Now if you see like 2 aluminiums, 2 into how many aluminium? Aluminium atomic mass how much, Nana? 27 plus. Now here you see like in this there are how many irons? There are 2 irons plus how many oxygens? 3 oxygens. Now here also how many aluminiums? 2 aluminiums you can write. Now here you see like how many irons? 2 irons. Now how many aluminiums? 2 into aluminiums plus 3 into oxygen. And remember, when there is a compound, we have to split the atoms with plus symbol. Okay, now The best example, for example, Al2O3 means 2 aluminium plus 3 oxygen, 3 into oxygen. Like that you have to split. For example, you have like this CH3. Okay, how many carbons? 1 carbon plus how many hydrogens? 3 hydrogens. C3H8 propane. 3 carbons plus 8 hydrogens. So whenever a compound is there, you have to split it. You have to split like 2 aluminiums. 2 into 1 aluminium weight how much? It is given 27 plus, now here we have 2 into 1 iron weight how much? 56 plus 3 into 1 oxygen weight how much? It is 16. Very good. Now 2 into 1 iron weight how much? 56 plus 2 into 1 aluminium weight how much? 1 aluminium weight 27 plus 3 into 1 oxygen weight how much? 16. Very good. The third step, I just substituted values of atomic masses of atoms. Now you do mathematics. 2 into 27 how much, Nana? 54. You can see it as 54. 54 U, unified masses. And here U is like unified mass. U is nothing but, Nana, unified mass, which is also called as atomic mass unit. Which is also called as atomic mass unit. So as atoms are very, very, very tiny particles, they are not measured in grams. They are too small than grams. To find out those atomic mass, to calculate those masses, we have discovered one more smaller unit, U, unified mass or atomic mass. These are the smaller units to calculate atom's weight. Now if you see like plus 2 into 56 how much, Nana? 112 plus 3 into 16 48. Now gives rise to 2 into 56 how much? 112 plus 2 into 27 how much? 54. Now plus 3 into 16 how much? 48. Now in this step I have just done multiplication, addition, that's it. It's a mathematics. Now if you see like all are unified masses. 54U plus 112 plus 148 how much, Nana? 160U gives rise to, now here 112U plus, if you count how much, Nana, here 102 102U. Now very good. For some time what we do, like we imagine U as grams. For some times we imagine unified masses as grams, because grams, as we know, it is convenient unit for us. So for some time we imagine U as G, but remember U and G are not same. There is a particular relation we have, and U is very, very smaller than G. So for our convenience, for some time we imagine U as G. Now after this Now we have to study question one more time. See Nana, question. Study the question. He will compare two atoms. Find mass, volume, number of particles of which atom that you target of aluminium. From the question, if you see, find mass, volume, number of particles of aluminium. So, if you see, this value belongs to aluminium. From the question, this value belongs to aluminium. This value belongs to Fe2O3. This value belongs to what, Nana? Iron. This value belongs to Al2O3. Now from the question, find mass, volume, number of particles of aluminium. So from the question, he is asking to find aluminium. To get 1120 kg of iron. So he is mentioning another value, iron. So from the question is comparing two values. Find mass, volume, number of particles of aluminium required to get how much iron? 1120 kg of iron. Now very good. So next step we have to write, he is comparing aluminium atom with which atom, Nana? Iron atom. It's very step. Study the question. He will give value of one atom, is given iron atom now, and he will ask you to find one more atom. So find mass, volume, number of particles of aluminium required to get 1120 kg of iron. Now from the previous step, how much aluminium we got? For 54 grams of aluminium, how much iron we got? We got 112 grams of iron. From the previous question, for 54, how much we got? 1112. Now, from the question, he is given 1120 kg of iron. To get this much kg of iron, how much aluminium is required? That we imagine as X. Now from here, mathematics. From here, you mathematics cross multiplication, you know. X into 112 gives rise to 54 into 1120. If you see, it is kg. Now all the values are in grams. So convert this kg into grams. So 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. It's very important. When all values are in grams, this kg should be also in grams. Now what you do? Transfer this 1112 that side. What we get? X equal to 54 into 1120 into 1000 by 1112. Now 1112 1112 ones. If you have 0 times here. Now finally what is got here? 54 into 10. 540. 540 and we have 3 zeros. Grams. Now when you remove 3 zeros, what we get? We will get how much, Nana? 540 kg will get. Whatever answer we got mass answer. Now number of particles. Now study the question. Number of particles of which atom? If you see the question, find mass, volume, number of particles of aluminium atom. So number of particles of which atom, Nana? Aluminium atom. Aluminium atom. Say one more time, we have to find whose number of particles? Aluminium. Now aluminium atomic weight how much? 27 grams. Now remember 27 grams aluminum if you take in hand. If you count how many aluminiums are there, approximately you will find, according to mole concept, approximately 6 into 10 power 23 aluminum particles will be there. This many particles. అంటే నాన్న 27 గ్రామ్స్ అల్యూమినియం నీ హ్యాండ్లో తీసుకుంటే దాంట్లో అల్యూమినియం ఆటమ్స్ ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి కౌంట్ చేస్తే ఇన్ని ఉంటాయి. ఇట్ ఈస్ ప్రూవెన్ అకార్డింగ్ టు మోల్ కాన్సెప్ట్. 27 గ్రామ్స్ అల్యూమినియం స్పేస్లో పెడితే అంటే లైక్ ఇఫ్ యూ కీప్ ఇన్ బాటిల్స్ హౌ మచ్ స్పేస్ తీసుకుంటుంది అది 22.4 liters. So atomic weight of any atom occupies how much space? 22.4 liter space. If you take atomic weight of any atom, if you count how many particles will be there? 6 into 10 power 23 particles. Now from the mass, we have found mass no beta 540 kg. As it is weight of aluminum, this is also weight 540 kg atom. 540 kg of aluminum లో ఎన్ని పార్టికల్స్ ఉంటాయి x. అండర్స్టూడ్ అన్న? టు ఫైండ్ నంబర్ ఆఫ్ పార్టికల్స్ ఫస్ట్ ఏం చేయాలంటే విచ్ ఆటమ్ నంబర్ ఆఫ్ పార్టికల్స్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద క్వశ్చన్ అల్యూమినియం. అల్యూమినియం అటామిక్ వెయిట్ రాసుకోండి. That should be equated to 6 into 10 power 23. This is like approximately 6 into 0.22 into 10 power 23. But for my convenience, I am taking 6 into 10 power 23. Now you do cross multiplication. X into 27 equal to 6 into 10 power 23 into 540 kg. Kg converted into grams nana because 27 is grams. Now take this 27 that side. 6 into 10 power 23 into 540 into 1000 by 27. 27 20s. If you do like what we get answer. If you see like 6 into 20, 6 into 20 how much nana? 120 and we have 3 zeros. 120,000 into 10 power 23 remain. And if you see like 120, how many zeros are there? 3 zeros into 10 power 23. Means this many particles of aluminum will be there. 27 grams లో ఇన్ని పార్టికల్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడు 540 kg లో ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి ఇన్ని పార్టికల్స్. సో వాట్ వీఆర్ డూయింగ్ ఫస్ట్ వీఆర్ ఫైండింగ్ మాస్. ఆ మాస్ ఎంత స్పేస్ ఆక్యుపై చేసుకుంటుంది వాల్యూమ్ ట్రిక్ తోటి కనిపెడతాం. ఆ మాస్ లో ఎన్ని పార్టికల్స్ ఉంటాయి నంబర్ ఆఫ్ పార్టికల్స్ ట్రిక్ తోటి కనిపిస్తుంది. ఓకే, ఎవ్రీ టైమ్ అటామిక్ వెయిట్ ఆఫ్ ఎనీ ఆటమ్ షుడ్ బి ఈక్వేటెడ్ టు 6 into 10 power 23 particles. We'll see one more example. Okay, now we'll do example 2 answer. First step, write equation. Now study question 1. Find mass, volume, number of particles of hydrogen molecule. It's very important. ఇక్కడ ఏమంటున్నా హైడ్రోజన్ మాలిక్యూల్ అంటున్నా, ఆటమ్ కాదు. హైడ్రోజన్ మాలిక్యూల్. హైడ్రోజన్ మాలిక్యూల్. మాలిక్యూల్ అంటే H2, ఆటమ్ అంటే H. Find mass, volume, number of particles of hydrogen molecule when sodium reacts with water. When sodium reacts with water to get 230 grams of sodium. So first write equation. Equation here, but he has given hint. When sodium reacts with water, sodium water to react అయినప్పుడు we have to find mass, volume, number of particles of hydrogen molecule. And we know that when sodium reacts with water, we get what nana? Sodium hydroxide vastadi plus hydrogen molecule vastadi. Now finish step 1, writing equation. Step 2, balance it. Write question one more time. And balance it none. NaOH plus H2. ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ balance చేయండి. Now see like sodiums. How many are there? 1. How many are there? 1. Done. Hydrogens, how many are there? 2. Here how many are there? 1. Here 2. 3 are there. Totally 3 are there. What I will do? I'll keep 2 here. And నేను ఇక్కడ కూడా 2 పెడతాను. అప్పుడు 2 hydrogens balanced. Now ఇక్కడ 2 sodiums and ఇక్కడ 2 sodiums balanced. So balancing we can do in single step. Now if you see like count 2 sodiums, 4 hydrogens, 2 plus 2, 4 hydrogens, 2 oxygens, ikkada 2 oxygens. Now very good. After balancing, what we have to do? 2 into sodium plus 2, as it is written here, water. 2 hydrogens are there plus how many oxygens? 1 oxygen is there. Now very good. Here also 2. How many sodiums? 1 sodium. How many oxygen? 1 oxygen. How many hydrogen? 1 hydrogen. Very good. Plus 2 hydrogens. Now very good. So we have written separately. Now substitute the values. What is the value of sodium? It is given 23. Now what is the value of hydrogen? Hydrogen atomic weight 1. What is the atomic weight of oxygen? Oxygen atomic weight how much nana? It is 16. Already you know. Now substitute. It is just like mathematics. 1 into 23 plus 1 into 16 atomic weight plus 1 into 1 plus 2 into 1. I have just written atomic weight of that particular. So instead of the symbols, I am replacing symbol with values. That's it. Now count the answer. 23 2s are 46 plus, now here how much nana? 2 1s are 2 plus 16. Now gives rise to 2. Now 23 plus 116 is 16 plus 1 plus 2 1s are 2. Now count it nana. 46 plus 2 into 18 gives rise to 2 into 23 plus 16 plus 1. Now very good. 2 into what is the answer nana here? 40 plus this nana 2 I have written Now you can see like what we got answer 46 U plus 36 U gives rise to 80 U plus 2 U. So U is a unit of atoms, but for some time we imagine U as grams. We consider it as grams for some time. Now here 80 grams plus 2 grams. Now 46 is the weight of which atom? Sodium. Now this is the weight of water. Now this is the weight of NaOH. This is the weight of H2. Now study the question. He will compare two people, two elements. Find mass, volume, number of particles of hydrogen molecule when sodium reacts with water. When sodium reacts with water, to get 230 grams of sodium. Sodium water to react అయినప్పుడు 230 grams of sodium రావాలంటే ఎంత హైడ్రోజన్ కావాలి? That is the question. Okay, now so is comparing which people nana? Sodium is comparing with what nana? Hydrogen molecule. It's very important. Now from the last type, sodium weight how much? For 46 grams of sodium we got 2 grams of hydrogen weight. Now from the question, to get 230 grams, to get 230 grams of sodium, how much mass of hydrogen molecule is required? 230 grams of sodium రావాలంటే ఎంత మాస్ కావాలి, ఎంత వాల్యూమ్ కావాలి, ఎంత నంబర్ ఆఫ్ పార్టికల్స్ కావాలి? 3 క్వశ్చన్స్. ఎంత మాస్ కావాలి? క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ యు డు. x into 46 equal to 230 into 2. Now take 46 that side. X equal to 230 into 2 by 46. 2 ones are 2, 23s are 23 ones are 23 10s are. Now x equal to 10 grams. And x is the weight of whose atom? H2 molecule weight. X is the weight of H2 molecule. అంటే 46 grams కి 2 grams hydrogen molecule వచ్చినప్పుడు 230 grams కి 10 grams H2 molecule weight వస్తుంది. So for 46 grams of sodium we got 2 grams of H2 molecule. For 230 grams of sodium, how much we get? 10 grams H2 వస్తుంది. You can see like 46 5s are 2 5s are 10. Now we will see how to find volume. Now to find volume, first you think like this. Volume of which atom? Question లోనే ఉంది. Find mass, volume, number of particles of hydrogen molecule. So volume of hydrogen molecule. Hydrogen molecule. Hydrogen molecule means H2. Remember, molecules. Hydrogen is a diatomic molecule. Now H2 volume కనిపెట్టాలి. Now what is the weight of H2? Weight of H2 is 2 grams. For 2 grams, I already told you that atomic weight of any atom or molecule. Now I am adding molecule. Atomic weight of any atom or molecule will occupy how much space? It is constant. 22.4 liter space. Now from previous step, 10 grams of hydrogen will occupy how much? 10 grams of hydrogen will occupy how much space? Now do cross multiplication. X into 2 equal to 10 into 22.4. Take 2 that side now. X equal to 10 into 22.4 by 2. 2 ones are 2 fives are. When you do like you'll get answer 5 fours are 20, 5 twos are 10, 11, 12, 5 twos are 10, 11. So we have X equal to 112 liters. 112 liters. 112 liters of hydrogen molecule. For 2 grams, it is occupying this much space. For 10 grams, it is occupying how much space, Nana? 112. It's X equal to 112 liters. Now try to find number of molecules or number of particles. Same everything. Number of particles of which atom or molecule? Again question says hydrogen molecule. Find mass, volume, number of molecules of hydrogen molecule. So every particles kanpettali. Again hydrogen we have to find. Very good. Hydrogen H2. Now what we have to do? What is the weight of hydrogen molecule? 2. Hydrogen, 1 hydrogen atomic weight 1. 2 hydrogens 2 grams. 2 grams of hydrogen molecule contains how many particles? 6 into 10 power 23. Constant. Any atomic weight should be equated to. Now 10 grams. Previous answer 10 grams contains how many particles? Same like cross multiplication you do like 2 into x equal to 10 into 6 into 10 power 23. Take 2 that side. X equal to 10 into 6 into 10 power 23 by 2. 2 ones are 2 fives are. Now what we got now? 5 into 6. 5 6 are 30 into 10 power 23. Hydrogen molecules. That many hydrogen molecules will be there. Means in 2 grams, if this many particles are there, in 10 grams, how many particles will be there? In 10 grams, how many particles will be there? X equal to 30 into 10 power 23 particles. So very easy. We have various mole problems. So how we are doing mole problem? First step, study the question, write chemical equation. Step 2, balance it. Step 3, you just substitute the values of atomic weights. Step 4, simplification. Step 5, study the question, he will compare 2 people. And step 6, solve the question like this. Find mass. Next Nana, to find volume, whose volume from the question? Find mass, volume of hydrogen molecule. That atomic weight should be compared with 22.4 liters. To find volume, compare with 22.4 liters. To find number of particles, compare the atomic weight with 6 into 10 power 23. So hope you understood. Thank you. Subscribe my channel and click bell icon.